live, okay, in YouTube. Okay, so sa video natin, since na-post ko na yung video na kung saan pinapakita ko kung ano ang posibleng behavior ng line. Okay, say for example, y is equals to x cubed. So the line, so ang behavior ng line yan, so times 0. Okay, so therefore, our y is 0. Okay, so yan, 0 siya. So we have here 0 is and then 0. Okay, so that's for y-intercept. Okay, sulat natin siya dito. For y-intercept, it is 0 and then 0. Okay, so erase natin siya for x-intercept. Okay, so for x-intercept naman, madali lang siya. Ang gagawin mo is 2. Okay, so x-intercept. Okay, x-intercept. So ang gagawin mo lang is, okay, set y is equals to 0. Okay, so here y is equals to x cubed plus 6x squared plus 8x. Okay, so as you can see, x cubed yan. So i-factor muna natin yan. Okay, hindi natin pwedeng ma-substitute ang 0 kasi there's no y for here. Okay, so ang mangyari is get the common factor for this polynomial or this expression. Okay, so the factor for this is x. Okay, kasi ang x yung pinakamaliit na variable. Okay, so x, so x cubed divided by x, that is x squared. 6x squared divided by x, that is 6x, and then 8x divided by x, that is, okay, 8. Okay, so meron na tayong new quadratic form. So next, anong gagawin natin is to factor. Okay, so since this is quadratic, we have to find the factor for this. Okay, so x, what is the factor for x squared? Plus 6x plus 8. So hanapin natin kung ano yung factor niyan. Okay, so to make it easy, x plus 2 and then x plus 4, that is the factor. Okay, x plus 2 at saka x plus 4. Now, so we can see that x, okay, so we have here x is equals to 0, and then x plus 2, okay, x plus 2, erase natin para mas maganda. Okay, x plus 2 is equals to 0, and then x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, now meron na tayong pang x-intercept, which is, okay, for x-intercept, it is equals to 0 and 0, and then here, so x plus 2 equals 0, then x is equals to negative 2. Okay, so negative 2, then 0, and then x plus 4 equals 0, then x is equals to negative 4. Okay, then 0. Okay, so yan, meron na tayong, okay, so yan, okay, yan, meron na tayong functions. Okay? Okay, ayusin ko muna yung camera ko. Oops. Yan. Okay. Okay. Ayusin ko muna to para at least hindi siya mahirap. Okay? Sorry for the intervention. Yan. Okay? So, I think makita na lahat. Okay? So, makita din dumi ng aking. Okay. So, yan. Okay? So, meron na tayong 4x intercept. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Okay? Let's make a graph. Okay? Gawa tayo ng graph. Delete natin to dito. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng graph. Okay? So, ito yung graph natin. Okay? Pagpasensyahan nyo na. So, yan. So, x, and then y. Okay? Yan. Okay, so now we can plot this one. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so as we can see that 0, 0 is in the middle. Okay, so middle siya, nasa middle. Okay, medyo na sobrang lakihan, di ba? 0 nasa gitna yan. Okay. Okay, that is then is the middle. Okay, so this one. Okay, so now i-plot natin siya. Okay, 0, 0, so nilagay natin sa gitna, di ba? And then negative 2, so negative 2 is going to the left. Okay, so this is negative 2, so plot natin dito yung isa. Negative 4, so dito 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, so this one. Okay, it's negative 4. Okay, now, ano naman ang gagawin natin sa susunod? Okay, so meron na plot na natin 0, 2 at saka 4, negative 4. So ang next gagawin natin is to find the x and y. Okay, so sabihin natin, okay, x and then y. Okay, so sa paghanap ng x, madali lang din siya. Okay, so ganito. Ang paghanap ng x, simula ka dito sa left, then dyan, and then counting. Okay, ang gagawin mo lang is, ano yung, papagitnaan mo lang yung points. Okay, so halimbawa, anong pumapagitna sa negative 4? So that is, okay, bilang ka lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is negative 5. Okay, anong pumapagitna ng negative 2? That is, okay, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that's negative 3. Anong pumapagitna sa 0? Okay, that is negative 1. What about the other side? So that's positive 1. Okay, ganun lang siya pag-identify. Mas madali siyang i-identify. Okay, so looking for y. Ang y na naman ang hahanapin natin. Okay, paano? So paghanap ng y, so you have to substitute the value of the following in this polynomial function. Okay, so madali lang siya. Okay, f of x, so f of negative 5 equals to negative 5 times 3, okay, raised to the power of 3 plus 6, negative 5 raised to the power of 2, then plus 8, negative 5. Okay, so ganun lang. So ang gawin natin is multiply natin. Okay, so negative 5 times 5, that is okay, that is 25. Okay, so negative 25 times 5, okay, negative 25, that's times 5. So okay, kita natin. So negative 25 times 5 equals 35, 10, 12, 125. Okay, negative 125. Okay, so that's negative. Okay, so it's negative 125. Okay, so plus okay, that's 6 and negative, okay, 6 times negative okay, 6 times 25. Okay, okay, 25 times 6, that is 30, 22 times 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's 150. Okay, that's 150. Okay, wala tayong calculator nito. Yan, that's 150. And then 8 times negative 5, that's negative 40. Okay, so now we can add. Okay, so negative 25 plus 150, that is 25. Then minus 40, that is what? Okay, 15. Okay, negative 15. Okay, so for our y, okay, so y natin, meron na tayong negative 15. Okay, so meron na tayong negative 15. Okay, okay, hold on. Yes. Okay, negative 15. Okay, so what about for our negative 3? Okay, so substitute na naman f of, Okay, negative 3 multiplied by equals to negative 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 6 negative 3 squared plus 8 negative 3. Okay, ang gagawin natin is 3 times 3, that's 9. So, negative 27, and then negative 9 times 6, okay, 54. Okay, so 9, negative 9, that's 54. Okay, tama ba? 6 times 8, 48. Okay, 54. Okay, and then plus 20, no, not plus, but it's minus. Okay, it's minus 24. Okay. Be careful to the sign always para at least hindi malilito. The next is negative 27 plus 54, that is for 50 it's 23, okay, 27. Okay, tama ba? 27. Okay, 4, 14, 7. Yes, it's 27. Okay, and then minus 24. Okay, so that is 3 na lang. Okay, so ang f of 3 natin is 3 na lang. Okay, madali lang. Okay, 3 na lang siya. What about for negative 1? So f of negative 1 is equals to negative 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 6 negative 1, then talaga naman ba? Okay, 2 plus 8 and negative 1. So it's negative 1 plus 6 minus 8. Okay, so it's equals to 5 minus 8, that's negative 3. Okay, so negative 3. Okay, what about f of 1? Dapat isa-isahin mo talaga to guys, kasi para at least hindi kayo mahihirapan. Okay, so what if f of 1 is equals to 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 6 1, 2 plus 8, then 1. Okay, so equals to 1 and then plus 6 plus 8. This equals to 15. Okay, so 15. So positive 15. Okay, so now complete na yung x and y natin. And then, pwede na tayo makapag-graph. Okay. So now, meron na tayong x at saka y. So, madali na lang. Okay, hanapin, i-plot natin, negative 5 at saka negative 15. Okay, so ito yung 5 natin. So, ganituin mo lang. Okay, so, assuming na dito yung 15. Okay, negative 15. Kasi, negative 5 at saka negative 15. So, this is in third quadrant. So, dito siya dapat. Okay, so, assuming dito yung negative 15. Okay, so next is negative 3 and positive 3. So where is that? So it should be here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So then 1, 2, 3. So here. Okay, so dito siya. Yan. Next is negative 1. Okay, negative 1 and then negative 3. So dito na naman. Okay, negative 1 and then okay, negative 3 dito. Okay, dito siya. And then negative positive 1 and then positive 15. So dito siya. Okay. You're assuming dito hanggang makikita lang sa ano. Di ba? Okay, assuming lang makikita para makikita. Okay? So pag idudugtong natin 'yan, okay? Idudugtong natin 'yan. So this is the entail. Okay? So mangyari is gang dyan, gang dito, at saka papunta doon. Okay? So, our prediction is correct. Diba? Dapat, ang entail niya is going to the right, sa itaas, and then sa baba is going to the third quadrant. Okay? So, tama yung prediction natin. Okay. So, what if hanap tayo ng ibang ano. Okay, so na-prove na natin yung x cube. Okay? So, x cubed. Na-prove na natin. But what about x squared? Di pa natin na-prove yun. Okay? Yan. Okay? So, I hope makita lang siya. Okay? Ayusin ko muna to para at least. Yan. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, what if f of x is equals to nag-blurred siya. Okay? Sorry, nag-blurred siya. Anyway. Cellphone lang kasi yung ginamit ko. Wala kasi akong ibang camera eh. Okay, x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, halimbawa ganyan. Okay? So, ang ating prediction of line yan sa behavior, possibly like this. Okay? So, since the leading term is greater than 0, and then the exponent is even number, so therefore, ang kanyang movement something like this. Okay? Ganyan siya. Okay? Yan yung ating prediction. So now, let's try to find out. Okay? So let's solve for x-intercept. Okay? X-intercept. So, set x is equals to 0. Okay? So, f of 0 is equals to 0, 2 plus 4, 0, and then plus 4. Okay? So, we have 0, and then, 0, we have 4. Okay? For our y, we have, so 0, 0, and then 4. Okay? So, yun yung nasa y natin. What about x? So, if x, so y-intercept. Okay? So, y-intercept must be like this. Okay? So, y-intercept to. Okay, so, x-intercept, intercept, set y is equals to 0. Okay? So, yan. So, ang nangyari nito is 0 is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? So, ang mangyari niyan is i-factor mo yan. Okay? So, what is the factor for that? We have so we have x plus 2 plus, so x plus 2 and then x plus 2. Okay? So, yan yung factor natin. So, therefore, our x plus 2 is equals to 0, then x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so we try to plot this in our graph. Okay? So, to prove that the direction is correct. Okay? So, since it is positive, so, bilang tayo, 1, 2. But x is 0. That's 0. Okay? Now, bilang tayo. Okay? 1, this is 0. For 0, 0. Okay, we have here, for x is equals to 0, 0. And then, negative 2, 0, and then negative 2, 0. Okay? Dalawa yung negative 2 natin. Then for y, we have 0 and then 4. Okay? So, yan. Okay, paano to? Okay? So, 1 and then 2. Okay, say for example. So, 0, 0, plot natin yan sa gitna. Okay? So, what about negative 2? Dalawa yung negative 2. So, dito lang siya ilagay. Isa. What about, okay. So, what about 4? Okay. Ay, actually, wala pala siyang 0. Okay? Wala siyang 0. Okay, wala tong 0 eh. Okay? So, wala siyang 0. So, meaning, okay, this is the center. Wala tong point ha. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, assuming that 4 dito. Okay? So yan yung y natin. Okay, let's try to observe if our, our prediction is correct. Okay, so let's solve for value of x and also value of y. Okay, let's try to do this. Okay, let's try to do this. Okay. So if here x and then y, okay? So our x here, so we have 1 at saka negative 3, okay? Negative 1, negative 3 and then negative 1. Okay? Yan. So what about here? It's y already. Okay? So we have to solve for negative 3 at saka negative 1. Okay? So f of negative 3 equals to negative 3, then, okay, ulitin ko kasi parang hindi kasya. Okay? So ito. F of negative 3 is equals to negative 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 negative 3 and then plus 4. Okay, so solve natin. That's 9 plus, okay, it's minus. Okay, minus 12 plus 4. So it is negative 3 plus 4. So therefore we have 1. Okay, so for y we have 1. Okay, so we have 1. We have 1 already. And then what about for negative 1? Okay, f of negative 1, so it's equals to negative 1 squared plus 4 negative 1 plus 4. Okay, so that's 1 plus, oh no, it's minus. Okay, so it's minus, so it's minus 4 plus 4. Okay, so it's negative 3 plus 4. So that's 1 also. Okay, 1. So now we try to plot this. Okay, to check if our prediction is correct. Okay. Okay, so we have negative 3 and then positive 1. Okay, so we have negative 3, positive 1, this one. Oh no. Ah yes, sakto. Okay, mali siya. We have, okay, negative 3. Okay, negative 3. Ah no. Because y is 1 only. Okay, mali siya. Okay, dito siya dapat. Okay, dito lang. Okay? So and then negative 1 and 1, so that is here. Okay? So therefore, when we're going to plot the line, so it must be, okay, like that. Okay? So therefore, our prediction is correct. Okay? Okay, I hope we are clear for that. Okay? So I think that's all for today. And thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and like my channel for more videos, for more tutorials. Goodbye.